Today's video, just going to go over 3 easy to grow ground cover plants that should be hardy and evergreen for most in the UK at least. I'll put the hardiness on screen as well as we go through. But basically, yeah, what kind of just spurred on the video is I've been sort of cleaning out this middle bed here from all the kind of spring stuff and found that a few of these plants that I had kind of put little pieces of or just propagated small amounts of had really taken off around the garden. And they've been great for me, so we'll kind of jump into it here. You can just see the summer bed here where we've kind of changed a few things around, got out all the sort of spring bluebells and things like that there. Transplanted the Musabastu clump here as well, so it'll be interesting to see that when it does grow in. But yeah, just as we come down here, and again, apologies on the mess, and huge clean out of the garden. I typically kind of wait till around almost Mayish, late May, mostly because I kind of forget half the stuff that's coming up, so I want to see what it is before I go weeding it out when it's quite small. But yeah, one of the first plants here, very easy to grow. This is your sedum. So this one is your blue spruce. Fantastic flowers in the kind of late May time. Again, propagation is super easy on these. You literally would just take off a piece like that, and as you can see, already roots there, ready to go. Simply just pop that on the top of the soil somewhere, which is basically what I've done with these plants. And again, you can just see this little bed here. We've also got the green variety there, really filled in, and you might be surprised that I actually only picked up one of these plants around about 4 years ago, and it's pretty much everywhere in the garden now. But once again, as you can see, really easy to take that out. You know, if it kind of gets a bit out of control, you can see where it's growing just around the water features here in the sort of jungle area of the garden. One of the next ones here, and we'll just come around to kind of the jungle area again, just to kind of get a little closer and show you that one here. And once again, I find these, you know, they can grow quite quickly, but again, it's kind of management is very easy, which is why I definitely recommend them. One here, you can see all the kind of little goldeny leaves down there on the strings. That is the Lismachia, or creeping Jenny. Again, fantastic around kind of water features and things like that. And once again, very fast growing. So one of those ones that you can kind of plant a few small plugs, and that will really take over and give you some fantastic ground cover. And once again, a lot of this, there's many options when it does come to ground cover, but I just find these when pairing with some of the tropical plants. As we kind of look into here, you can see quite nice kind of cover, and it makes it, I feel, look kind of natural. And you know, again, with the rate of growth that you get on these, I think it's just one of those ones that you can really kind of maximize your beds as well. Now, another one here which is in interest at the moment would be your Saxifraga. And again, the lovely flowers on these. Now, this doesn't spread as fast. It's more of kind of like a carpeting, but typically, even once it's flowered, this should stay sort of evergreen and form like a clumping side on there as well. But with that said, just really wanted to show you those sorts of plants. Let me know if you have any other plants you would recommend in the comment section below. Of course, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.